So we have an apple tree here, and the ants are climbing up the apple tree this year. We've never had a problem like this before, and we've gotten apples off this in years past. But the ants are all over this tree, and they're feeding the aphids, and the aphids are attacking the blossoms and stuff. So what we've done is we've taken some toilet paper and wrapped it around the trunk of the tree, and then taken one of those sticky fly traps and wrapped it around the toilet paper so it's not directly against the tree, but the toilet paper is underneath the sticky fly wrap. And as you can see, the ants are sticking to it. They don't know what to do now, but they're sticking to it. And there's hundreds of them here on this tree, coming up and down. They don't know what to do now. And anyways, wanted to show you this is a good idea for deterring ants. And I think these are red ants, but there I also see black ants as well, medium-sized ants. And I believe they probably do the large ants too, that are about 1 inch long. They'd probably be strong enough to do that, but the fly wrap just kind of sticks to itself. So I just kind of wrapped it multiple rows so they have no way of getting across and bridging across. But anyways, I also used diatomaceous earth around the trunk, which will get in their exoskeleton and they cannot get out, and that will also help kill them as well, and it doesn't hurt the tree. So I used the and again I used the toilet paper around there to protect the tree from the fly trap process and stuff from bothering the tree. But I'll show you too. This is the one I used. I'm sure others will work as well too. And then this is the diatomaceous earth that we used. You can get it at your local hardware store or North 40, Home Depot, wherever. But I just wanted to let you know. And we'll update you on this over the next few days and see how it's working. But it's catching a lot of ants now. And they have nowhere to go. But I just wanted to show you that. And we'll be back in a little time, a few days or so, and see how it's going. All right, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Well, it's been a week or so now, and we've got this fly trap on the tree, and it does seem to be helping with the small ants. And but it looks like we're going to have to replace that with another one, just because of the rain we've had. It's doing the job, but I think we're going to need to add another one just to help there. I think we're also going to have to take down some of these lower branches that might be touching the ground. It looks like the ants have found an alternative route. So I think in order to do that, we'll get the weeds down around the tree so they can't touch it. But also some of these branches are starting to get heavy from the blossoms turning into apples. So we will probably end up doing that. And we tried a homegrown, from a website, a recipe for taking out the aphids. And that has seemed to work, but I think we need to do it again, and maybe again a second time. We've had rain on and off, so that doesn't help with the spraying them, but I think we'll do that again, and maybe a third time. So, and I'll leave a link to the in the description of the website where we got the recipe. If you have any comments on a recipe or some other ways of taking care of aphids and ants, that would be great. Just showing you a progress of what we're doing here. I was hoping it would take care of the problem, but it didn't quite, but it is helping. So, but I think the ants have an alternative route onto the tree, so through the lower branches that are touching the ground. Because some of them are touching the ground. So, all right. Hey, thanks for watching. Again, if you have a comment on that ways to take care of ants and aphids, I'd appreciate it. But otherwise, you can see what we're doing. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks.